Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord not opening. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar. Then make sure to close the Discord app completely. Then close the Task Manager, search for installed apps, and then locate Discord in the apps. After that, uninstall it, then close settings and open Run by pressing Windows key plus R. Type in %appdata% and give it a go. Inside the app data folder, delete Discord folder and open Run again. This time, type in %local_appdata% and give it a go. Again, delete the Discord folder to make sure it is wiped off the PC and open any preferred browser. Inside the browser, search for Discord and download it again to solve the error. And that's how you can fix Discord not opening. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.